Good morning, everyone. I wanted to touch base and show you guys how to do the neighborhood snaps. We've been sharing them quite a bit on social media and have gotten a really positive feedback. So once you log into your command, you're going to want to go to your designs, which is this little paintbrush down here. You're going to want to hit create design, and we're going to do a social post. So hit continue. So it's going to open up your designs, and you're going to be able to customize it the way you want to, and for the specific neighborhood that you'd like. Seems to be running a little slow this morning. Here we go. So the neighborhood snap is under here, under listings. Click on neighborhood snap. And you can either do a social wide, social square, or then if you want to do a social story, you can. I personally like the social square because it fits nice into social media. A couple of different templates you can pick from. I think I'm going to actually go with this one today. Hit use. And all of this is customizable. So you're going to decide on what neighborhood that you want to use or you want to showcase. And then you're going to go down to this KWLS, which is Keller Williams' version of the MLS. And you're going to see listing or snapshots. So click snapshots, and then let's search a neighborhood name. Let's go with Lake Lotawana. You can also search by postal code if you'd like. If you type in the postal code, it'll give you a bunch of suggestions for that area. So we're going to do Lake Lotawana, and it's going to open up and it's going to show you a bunch of different snaps that you can use. There's one with just a map. There's just a real small little snapshot. Since I'm using this one, I'm actually just going to pull this over, and it'll take a minute for it to kind of sharpen up. And then you can, all this is editable. We're going to change this. You'll want to switch out and make sure you have your own market center. You can actually just click this replace logo. So once you actually click on it, then you just go over here and you can hit replace and it'll replace it. So I'm actually going to expand this a little bit. And again, all of this is editable. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the justification, whatever you'd like to do. I'm going to make this a little bigger so that you can see it. And then I'm actually going to also include our logo. There we go. Then the legal statement is right there. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a picture. So we're going to go back to images. You can either add an image, you can use workspace, or you can use your assets. Your assets are ones that have already been uploaded. So we're going to go to workspace, and let's see if we can do a lifestyle at home. So then all of these images are provided by Keller Williams. They're free. If anybody has spent any time working with stock photos, you know it's kind of a big deal to have really good stock photos that you can use for free. So let's pick one that we like. Let's see. Let's go with this one. There you go. You can just switch it out. And then there you go, you're done. So you'll just go to download. You can download as a PNG, a JPEG, PDF, PDF for printing. We're going to actually print it as or do it as a PNG. Image quality page. If you have multiple pages, you can choose which page you want to use. So with this one, we're just going to download. It'll autosave. And then just put it into onto your desktop, and then you can use it. So hope that helps. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.